Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in Citizens Bank credit card online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.accessmycardonline.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Citizens Bank. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can enroll by simply clicking on this option, enroll now. If not, you can simply sign in to your account. First of all, click on the field of username and enter the username over here. After entering the username, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option, forget username, and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, if you've forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after entering the credentials, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be signed in to your credit card account. So that is how you sign in Citizens Bank credit card online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.